Hi, my name is Dr. Nabila Khan. I did my schooling from Himalaya Public School, Rohini, New Delhi. I did my MBBS from Eras Lucknow Medical College, Lucknow. After doing my graduation, I was employed in Max Hospital, Patparganj, New Delhi, under Nephrology and Vascular Surgery Department for a year, followed by Fortis Hospital, Shalimar Bagh, under Gastroenterology Department. Last year, I applied for Medical Council of Canada for my licensing and residency under radiology or dermatology in Canada. Right now, I'm doing residency in Samra Hospital, Yamuna Vihar, New Delhi, under urology and surgical department, and assisting in surgeries, mainly laparotomy and laparoscopic, as I have assisted a lot of surgeries on COVID positive patients. Yes, I'm a COVID warrior. Happy Doctor's Day!
A big hello to everyone. This is Dr. Swasti. I'm a pass out student from 2009 batch and I'm currently working as a pathologist in Dr. Rajamil Hospital, New Delhi. First of all, I would like to thank the teachers of HPS who have always tried to connect to the pass out students of the school so that we can share our experience with each other. So today on this Doctor's Day, I would like to share my COVID-19 experience with you all. The situation in the world because of this COVID-19 pandemic is miserable. The doctors, the government, the hospitals, everyone is trying to deal with this situation. So because of the current surge, the hospitals are trying to train every specialist, be it a ENT doctor, a pathologist or a plastic surgeon, to treat the COVID-19 patient. So I, being a pathologist, was also trained and posted in ICU ward, COVID ICU ward for a while, and it was my night duty. About 10:15 p.m. there was a young patient, 32-year-old gentleman, who was very energetic, responding to all the medications, but suddenly his half the body got paralyzed, and we were all very afraid. Immediately we ordered a CT scan of the patient and we found out that there was a brain stroke. So he was started off with the medications and slowly his condition improved. He was admitted for about 15 days, and after that he was completely recovered and was discharged and returned back to his wife and a beautiful young 1-year-old daughter. So this was a positive experience for me, that people can recover from this situation, as this situation was a complication of COVID-19 which can happen in some of the patients. But there are some times when the situation gets worse and it is difficult to save the patient. So all that I can say is that we can pray and hope that situation will improve one day and we'll triumph over this pandemic situation someday. Have a good day. Thank you.
Myself, Dr. Sandeep Garg, 2003 Himalaya Public School pass out. I am doctor by profession, MBBS, MD, Forensic Medicine, working in Delhi Government, Joint Secretary, IMA DNZ. Doctor is a very noble profession, and every doctor's work day and night to serve the society. आप लोग स्कूल के सारे बच्चे न्यू जनरेशन हो, आई वांट टू गिव देम अ मैसेज कि डॉक्टर्स एज अ होल इन द होल कम्युनिटी आर वेरी लॉयल टू देयर प्रोफेशन and work day and night. Because of some people, why should the whole community suffer? And please, डॉक्टर्स को भगवान की तरह ट्रीट मत करो. ट्रीट डॉक्टर्स एज अ प्रोफेशनल्स. गलती सबसे होती है, लेकिन लॉयल्टी से कौन काम कर रहा है ये देखना चाहिए. सेव डॉक्टर्स, सेव ह्यूमैनिटी. थैंक यू.
Hi, I'm Dr. Bhavya Maharishi, BHMS, homeopathic physician, alumnus of Himalayan Public School, 2007. As we all know, the unprecedented nature of pandemic has crippled the whole healthcare system in India. Here, homeopathy came forth in helping so many patients. As we all know, COVID-19 symptoms are familiar to influenza. Here, we prescribed Natramur and arsenic album to those who were home isolated with mild symptoms. To bring to your notice, many of them were negative within a week, and the percentage is 99.6%. WHO and Ayush Ministry acknowledged these medicines and included them in the COVID protocol to those patients who were mildly affected. I'm proud to be an homeopath and helping so many patients in this pandemic. Stay safe, stay home, stay healthy.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Arpit Singhal. I completed my schooling from Himalaya Public School in 2015, and recently I have completed my MBBS from Shada University. Being a doctor, I just wanted to say that as we all are aware of this pandemic and the things are getting worse day by day, also the third wave is on its way. So I just wanted to say that stay safe, stay at home, and use all the precautions needed to keep you and your family healthy. On this occasion of Doctor's Day, I just wanted to say that serving patient and doing this kind of job gives you immense satisfaction and peace that your patient is recovering day by day from a serious disease, or I can say any kind of disease. Nothing much to say, but yeah, I would like to say that you all are under a great faculty, so just respect them and make them proud on you. All the very best for your future. And at the end, I would like to thank all the teachers and school for giving me a chance to express myself. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritika Sakarwal and I'm a third year medical student at Maulana Azad Medical College, New Delhi. Today I'm going to talk about my experience as a medical student. So my personal experience has been great so far. The satisfaction that this profession gives me is immense and I'm grateful for it. I'm aware that every skill that I learn today will be a tool in my hand to save the lives of millions of people. As the saying goes, a life lived in the service of others is a life lived worthwhile. So I'm glad that I can be of service to the community. After all, every day is a good day to save lives. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Shweta, student of Himalaya Public Senior Secondary School from batch 2011. After complete my schooling, I took admission in BSc Honours Nursing, and after that I have done MSc Nursing, which is followed by MBA. And right now I'm working as a nursing tutor in St. Stephen's Hospital College of Nursing. COVID-19 is a pandemic situation which caused lots of destruction worldwide. There's a loss of personal, financial, societal status of a person everywhere. So everyone is doing hard for their survival, whether it is psychologically or from the personal or physical aspects. So we are, as a nursing tutor, we were taking during lockdown one, we were taking our online or virtual classes of our students. But after some times, we all have decided to step down in a clinical area and to help the nurses and doctors, because a small effort from our sides can make a big help for them. After getting in clinical settings, we helped the patients psychologically, we provided counseling to the patients, we helped the nurses in providing care to the COVID patients. We came to know that patients are affected psychologically more than their physical illness. So we talk to them, we make them comfortable as their families are not there with them. So along with taking our virtual classes of our students in our college, we continuously provide clinical care in COVID situation in our hospital. This is my experience in COVID situations. We all are COVID warriors. with no need to get anxious or get scared from these type of situations. We all have to stand together, we have to work together, we have to hard for our nation in these pandemic situations. I hope all the best for your future, and thank you for listening me. Thank you so much.